Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's 2021. Hope you all had a very, as good as possible 2020. But it's 2021 and we have a new addition to our family, as you can tell. We got Mr. Patrick. You guys are gonna see a lot of him, of course. So today, what do we wanna do? Well, I think I'm gonna make it easy because we're still trying to get some sleep. This is gonna be a sandwich episode, okay? It's gonna be good. I like making sandwiches. I feel like sandwiches are probably one of the most important things in the world. It's super balanced, right? Has veggies, carb, protein. And so stay tuned, guys. This episode. All right, welcome back, guys. Happy 2021. Hopefully everyone is doing well. So today we're gonna keep it very simple. We're just gonna do a little sandwich. If you guys know me, I love sandwiches. My cousin Matt, he loves sandwiches too, from Little Luca's and all that good stuff. But anyways, let's talk a little bit about the sandwich, okay? I'm just gonna do a little very easy chicken sandwich. I made a chicken breast the other day, and I'm gonna use that for my lunch meat. We got a little gem lettuce here. We have some sourdough bread. This is actually a rosemary garlic sourdough. And we have a tomato. Key ingredient, guys, is sweet pickles, sandwich style slices. We also have a little bit of mustard. And of course, guys, you know what that is. And I'm not sponsored by any of these guys. I just like their product, okay? So let's go ahead and build a sandwich, and I'll show you guys how we do it. So we're gonna cut this little tomato up. These are really good Kamado tomatoes, and I really like the flavor of them. For the lettuce, this is a nice lettuce, you guys. You can get these in the store. They're kind of expensive, but I'm just gonna rip off a few leaves. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off just the ends right here and give these a nice good wash. All right, next part, you guys, is I already made Leanne a sandwich. So I'm gonna show you guys how to slice this. Cut it, you don't just wanna keep cutting it, like that. You almost wanna cut it on a bias. This helps make it tender. And as you can see, it's a perfectly cooked chicken breast. Do a couple more for my sandwich. Got the bread right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise down. So I love mayonnaise. I think you guys do too. Some of you don't like mayonnaise, and that's okay. A little bit of mustard right there. Next, we're gonna be layering on the chicken. So just put it on there nice and easy. So that's done. Now we're gonna put on tomatoes. So fresh cracked pepper on there. And a little bit of salt. Tomatoes actually love salt. Sweet pickles, okay? Those are awesome. Yep. Lettuce. Like to kind of go every other just so it has stability. Top it off right there. So let's go ahead and give it a nice little cut right down the middle. All right, so now it's time, you guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. Beautiful sandwich, right? This thing looks really good all the way around. There's a lot of detail in there, guys. Let's take a look at what that sandwich looks like. Wow, that looks awesome. Now let's go do a taste test. Now it's time to eat this bad boy. And we're gonna take a couple bites, and then we're gonna go off to the next episode. So the next episode I think we're gonna do is a tri-tip. That's gonna be pretty awesome. But while my mouth is drooling, let's go ahead and check this out. So good. So good, literally. Everything about it. It's like a perfect sandwich. Everything is so juicy and delicious. Taking another bite. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put the sandwich down. I'm gonna finish it and hang out with the wife. But you guys stay safe out there. Hope you guys are having a great 2021, And until next time, guys, see you on the next episode.